In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom calendar in Wix Studio for the year 2025, all with an easy, step-by-step approach. Whether you're managing events, coordinating bookings, or making ticket sales more accessible through your site, having a custom calendar can be a game changer. Let's dive right into it. To start, open up your preferred web browser and go to the Wix website. Once you're there, you'll want to head straight into the editing section of your site. This is where all the magic happens, and you get to customize your page just the way you want it. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure to do so to access your dashboard and editing tools. Once in the editor, locate the specific page where you want to embed your calendar. This could be a dedicated events page, product page, or any other section of your site that requires a calendar. Clicking on it will bring you into editing mode for that page, offering you an array of options to modify and enhance your content. Now navigate to the product page that you have on your site. This is particularly useful if you're planning to list events or items that can be scheduled or require bookings. The functionality here is just one of the things that makes Wix a great platform for customizing your website to suit a variety of needs. To add your custom calendar, look for the option that says Add Element. This button allows you to introduce new components to your page. It's like a toolkit that offers everything from text boxes to images and widgets. Clicking on Add Element will give you access to the search bar where the next step takes place. In the search bar, type the word calendar. You should see several options populate, tailored to your requirements. This search feature is handy for finding specific elements without having to scroll through potentially hundreds of widgets. Choose the option labeled Calendar, Events, Bookings, Ticket Sales. This selection is optimized for precisely what you're looking to accomplish, a comprehensive, organized way to manage scheduling and events from your site. Click on it, and you'll be guided through the process of adding it to your page. Once you've selected the calendar type, you'll encounter a button that reads Add to Site. Click on this to initiate the installation of your calendar onto the selected page. It's important to follow the prompts carefully, as each click solidifies the integration of the calendar into your website. Finally, finish the process by clicking on Agree and Add. This action not only completes the installation, but also ensures that you've reviewed and accepted any terms or conditions associated with integrating this feature into your site. A quick review of these terms is always a good practice before finalizing. With that, your custom calendar is successfully added to your Wix website. This tool is now ready to help you manage and display events with ease and professionalism right at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.